What if our natural satellite disappeared? When you observe the night sky, you are always able to see the moon. We can see the moon because it reflects light from the sun onto our planet, and therefore, we are able to see it. To understand why the moon is vital for us, we must go back to the beginning. But before that, you need to know what the moon is. The moon is the closest astronomical object to our planet. The lunar surface is a desolate, endless field of gray that is devoid of any life. How did our natural satellite form? We assume that a fifth planet, which we call Theia, existed in our solar system. We also think that the moon was formed because this Mars-sized planet crashed into our young Earth around 4.5 billion years ago. Apparently, part of our young Earth was ripped off and later became the moon. Not only would this have left an enormous crater in the Earth, but just try and explain how the moon has a core. After all, scientists say that the moon is Earth debris, which does not make any sense because it has a core. If you think that the moon is a natural satellite, then you have been fooled. The reason why this is the case is because seismometers were installed on the moon to measure moonquakes, and it rang like a bell. The simple explanation is that the moon is hollow, and a popular speculation states that the moon was built by alien civilizations. But anyways, what will happen on Earth without the moon? One of the most important things about the moon is its gravitational pull on our planet, and without it, the waves and tides would be a third of the size they currently are. It is also the moon's gravitational pull that keeps our planet's tilt in place. Without the moon stabilizing our planet's tilt, it would change a lot and would therefore have harsh social and environmental consequences. These harsh consequences can be extreme weather and maybe even massive fluctuations in temperature, which could lead to rapider climate change or an ice age. Because of this horrible climate, plants will not be able to grow and agriculture would slow down immensely, causing most of the remaining population to fight for food. As well as this, earthquakes will become more frequent and may become more violent. It actually would not be a terrible idea to stay in a bunker, because even though they are built in case of nuclear war, if they can survive a nuclear arsenal, then they can certainly survive tons of earthquakes. Our days will become much shorter, because the moon cannot stabilize our tilt, and the surface of the Earth cools, because the sun gets less time to heat it. Without the moon, crucial marine ecosystems such as coral reefs will begin to deteriorate. The communities near coral reefs will be wrecked because, as the tides decrease, the coral will begin to die and the healthy balance will be disturbed. Although the tides may decrease, the sea level will certainly rise because of the ever-changing temperature, which will definitely melt ice at the poles. But anyways, I think that will wrap up this video. See you next time. Bye.